We see in this passage the everlasting Father is strong on behalf of the vulnerable. It's who Mary was, and this is what Mary tells us. And my spirit rejoices in God my Savior. She has reason to make God great, to speak about the glory of God. She has reasons to rejoice that go well beyond her place in life, her condition, her material capacity, her political and economic and social power. That's not what she rejoices in. She rejoices in the might of her God. You see, when she returns home, she will still be living a simple, even poor life. She still will not have social influence, but she has now even more reason to rejoice in her God. And we can so easily miss what God has done for us and who he is, being caught up in our own lives for better or for worse. But friends, so often knowing that we need God will refine our grasp on him. To know from day to day and moment to moment and circumstance to circumstance. And in fact, friends, it's an incredibly important habit for the child of God to build inside of our reactions to life. Jesus, where are you? Jesus, be here. Jesus, speak to me. May your word speak to me. May you be present. May you guide me. To build that habit within us so that we have that language of the presence, the provision, and the power of God in the lives of his children. We know that nothing else is going to do what we need it to do. We need the power of God displayed on our behalf. The hymn that we sing during this time of year, Joy to the World, one of the refrains puts it like this: he comes to make his blessings flow far as the curse is found. It doesn't matter which corner of the world has become dark or filled with sin or the results of evil. He has come to make his blessings flow. The everlasting Father shows up as the mighty God, and he steps into our darkness and becomes our light and our Father.